Hey, what's going on, guys? I hope you guys are having a wonderful weekend. As promised, this is going to be my quick first, I would say even B-side look at my behind the scenes of doing my printing and my graphic design work in my studio. I hope you guys enjoy. Hope you guys give it a like. Please subscribe. I'm also going to be including some tips too as well in these coming days. In a couple of days, I'll be able to get that out to you guys. As you can see, it's a beautiful day outside. And yeah, after all this rain, I mean, we definitely much needed it. I'm not going to rant on that any further, but I do want to leave you guys with a lasting tip that's going to help you greatly in your success as an artist. I think it's very important that we understand the business side of things alongside with art. Now, finding that meshing, finding that in between, it can be very difficult, but I highly encourage you guys to be able to get in touch with perhaps some marketers, get in touch with some people that are already in the industry, that have already been doing it, knowing how to sell themselves and what works best for them. I think it's also a good idea to get that side of the perspective, because that's really going to be able to take you far as an artist. A lot of people tend to just typically focus on the art side of things and not so much per se the business side of things. So I definitely want to leave you guys with that tip. Please, if you comment in the section below, I'll be able to be more than happy to answer any questions that you guys have. But without further ado, enjoy. I'll see you in the next one.